Peace and blessings, YouTube family. It's your girl Iy'Vajhane coming back to you guys with another vlog. Today is Sunday and we are going to go to church. I went to church last weekend, but we had to leave early because baby boy was a little active and he also didn't want to go to children's service. So we left early. But this weekend we are going to try again because I'm not going to let toddler antics stop my praise and worship, because I love to get my praise and worship on before the week starts. It just helps my week to start more peaceful, and it helps me to bring God into the beginning of another week. It's really cold out here in Texas. It's about 45 degrees today, and as you can see, your girl just does not have a winter coat, so I just have on a long sleeve shirt with this scarf over me. But I am not going to let this weather stop the things I want to do. It did yesterday, but I rested and I needed that rest. But now tomorrow's Monday, we have a whole new week ahead of us. So let's get it together. Let's go to church. Let's get some praise and worship in. And then after that, we need to go grab some groceries. Y'all, I found this at the beauty supply and it smells so freaking good. I'm gonna have to go get me another can because I'm almost out.
Doing this little illustrated sermon, and you don't get a lot of those from me, so hey, I'm gonna take my liberty today on this.
Okay guys, it is now 1:18 and we just left church. Service was very beautiful and baby boy was more balanced. He ended up falling asleep, which was wonderful to me. So I was really able to just sit there and take in the word. We read Ezekiel today and learned about the 4 creatures that he's seen, and the praise and worship was beautiful. All the songs that they sing are always like a bop in there. Like, I cannot help to sing along. If I had the time and energy, I would ask them, can I join y'all choir? Because they be doing their thing, the choir up there. So yes, church was beautiful, but I also have some schoolwork that I need to do and turn in. So let's go to the grocery store and get some groceries for the week. I transferred my grocery list from my notes to my pen pad so that I could still vlog while grocery shopping. Let's go to Kroger. My son's dad got me this heating pad for Valentine's Day, and because I just started my cycle, this is going to be my first time using it. So I'm about to put this bad boy on and put the groceries away. So it vibrates and it heats. I'm gonna do low vibration, but I'm gonna do some heat. Okay, so all these groceries came out to $120, and I was using my phone number at Kroger. So at first it was like $134, and then after I put my phone number, it came out to $130. I did 3 meals, which is going to be chicken Alfredo, tacos, and also some rice and chicken on a day where I don't feel like cooking. And then I just got things for breakfast, and then I got some snacks. Okay, so I have to use this time to turn in a lesson plan. The lesson is going to be for 5-year-olds. It is a math lesson for children with learning disabilities. It is 7:22, and I feel like this is going to take me about an hour and a half at the most. This is the outline for the lesson plans, and I know I could have been done this, but I was working, so I did not.